On the 8th day of Christmas, my true north gave to me. I wonder what? Let's find out. Look at that, it's under my tree. Oh my goodness, what's all this? We got M&Ms and a little glass. It's been warm, my goodness. Whew, what is it today? 8 Maids-a-milking Chinook Milkshakes. Well, that's appropriate because it's been warming up quite drastically after last day's hot chocolate. So let's get started. Let's make Chinook Milkshakes. Now, for those of you who aren't sure what a Chinook is, a drastic sudden warming of weather, dry winds, and the like. Suddenly the snow, whatever fell, is melting away. It's all of a sudden. So we are making something like that. It's going to be ice creamy and going to warm up in our tummies very quickly. Well, this is what you're going to need. You might want to put something like crushed peppermint. I've used a little one here with a grater, and I've made just a small bowl. I'm going to rim my sundae glass with a little lemon juice and then rim it with some of this. You don't need much, you just need to put a little crumble on, and you can do the same for a straw. Once it's dry, then I like to add a little syrup, and I try to pour and drizzle so that it makes like a little spin, just enough to connect at the top. Moving on, you get the idea. Next, let's add the ice cream. Woohoo! This is cookies and ice cream. Of course, this is what I like. You can use whatever you wish. But in making an ice cream sundae, but there's more. I want to fill this amply. After all, if it is warm outside and you finish packing or trying to roll a snowman before it melts away, this is perfect when you're done. Come inside, have a milkshake, because you just warmed up. Really happens all the time. Well, at least in Alberta that I know. Next, add some milk, and eventually it'll disappear in your tummy. But there's more. We're not done yet. It's just not Christmassy or festive enough. Add a few more peppermint to it, just on the top, like that. Maybe you might want to even add what's left of your peppermint candy cane to it. Add a few little red and green M&Ms. Maids-a-milking, those start with M's too. How about we do 4 green ones and 4 red ones? There's a Chinook milkshake. There it is. On the 8th day of Christmas, my true north gave to me 8 Maids-a-milking Chinook Milkshakes. Let me know in the comments section below what you've liked watching since we started the 12 days of Christmas. Don't forget to come back and find out what's tomorrow. Oh, that's nice. Peppermint. See how it's melting? Chinook milkshake. This is going fast. Until next time, do take care, and au revoir.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.